Hello, how are you today? I will show you how to create custom tables in Bricks using a Datatables JavaScript library. So what I will do is I will create a custom post type and created a custom field. So each row here is a data from a custom post type. The plugin that I use is CPTUI for creating custom post type and custom taxonomy, and advanced custom field to create a custom field for its CPT. Actually, I have created a custom post type name regulation here, and I have created a custom taxonomy name category regulation here. Then of course I have created a custom field for the CPT here, and I have a year and I have a file. So the plan is I will create a for a column here. I will display, or I will show the post title, and the next column is for a year, and the next column for the taxonomy of the post type. And when I click this post title, it will open the file, the link of file of its post. So here I have created 1, 2, 3 posts with a field like this. This is title, and this is the year, and this is the file, and this is the custom taxonomy. So what I'm gonna do is create a template for show this to include the files of data table, and created a custom HTML code. So let's edit with Bricks. I have a container here. Let's set the width to 1200 pixel. Then let's add a code widget here. This script we need to include two files at least. First is data table JavaScript and data table CSS file. We don't need to include the jQuery because the brick has included its own jQuery. So head to this and to make it fast, I will copy the code that I have write, include the CSS file, and include the JavaScript file. Then we need to create HTML code. It's something like this. So let's copy here until the first of the air wrap tag here, close with the body, and close again with table tag like this. So I will create a custom table heading. It will use for a row number. This. So it will, the second heading, I'm gonna create it something like this. This is for the year, and this is for the category of the taxonomy. Delete the rest here. So this is the minimal requirement that we need to create it data tables here, but of course we need to initialize the script by using this code. Change the dollar sign to jQuery. And let's execute and save. Let's see how it look like here. There's a number, there is a table heading and table content. There is so much error in this code. Let's back to the builder and ignore first. Okay, let's create a custom query to show the custom post type. So it will look like this. By using a standard WordPress query, I have created before, so I'm gonna just copy and paste and maybe give a simple explanation here on the row. Change to the query that I created. So this is the query of the post type. Here there is option to select which post type that I will need to show. This is the regulasi. The post, the CPT slug is regulasi, and of course we have a standard query here. For the first TD, I don't know which TDs mean. Let's see the table data. Okay, the table data. Okay, for the first table data here, let's fill it blank. And the second table data here, I have this two code. The first code is to show to retrieve the link of the file, of the custom field file. Let's see the custom file. Here, the file is the custom field, which field type of file, and the set the return value to file URL. So this is gonna retrieve the URL of the file on the post type. Then for the title, this code will show the post title of the CPT. And the second table data here, it will retrieve the custom field year here, and the third table data here, this will this is the third here. For the third table data here, I use the get the terms to display the taxonomy of the current post. Here is the custom taxonomy slug, and it will show under the category column of the table. Of course, this is the standard of the WordPress codex for query. And let's execute the code and see the result. Let's view on front end. Here we have a post title. Let's see the CPT. We have a 3 custom post type. The post of custom post type, here we have 3. We have a year of its own post, and we have the custom taxonomy of each post, like here. But when I click one of the post title here, it will link to the file URL of the file. Actually, I have a plan to upload the PDF file or document file, but for tutorial only, I upload the image file. You can upload whatever file you want. We have a number here. We have a first column, a second column, the third column, and the fourth column. Let's see how the function, if it work or not. Let's sort it. Okay, this working. Sort it by year. Okay, it's working too. And sort by the category. This is working too. And let's filter the table by a keyword. Let's say the SK. Here we have 2 posts which have a SK word. Or let's filter by perdes. We have a 1 post which has a perdes word. Here the layout is messy. I think it's not look like a sample example from the Datatables website, because it's the Bricks CSS interfered with the Datatable CSS. It's like this. Here, display block, plain height, and the label. Here you can actually customize or adding a custom CSS, adding some style to make it look better. But here this is working, and this is a simple way, I think. Without a plugin we can create it. We can create a custom table, and let's add another post, see if it's working or not. Let's just say this. Let's this. We're gonna add a file here. We're gonna add a new taxonomy, new tax here, and we're gonna click publish, and let's reload. And why is it? I think I should okay. I think I should use one of the category here, because if the data is blank, the custom taxonomy is blank. Like if you don't have data from here, then it will show the error like before. Now let's create another. Let's create taxonomy, change and publish. Okay, let's reload. Okay, that's good. And for customize the data table, you can straight to its website. Here there is many options that you can choose. And thank you for your attention. See you on next video. As usual, I will put the code in link description below. And if you have any question or suggestion, please tell me on the comment form below. Thank you and have a nice day.